Most people, including a lot of real estate investors, think that only unmotivated retail sellers go on market and you can't find distressed discounted properties or motivated sellers on market, which is just not true. Some sellers look for a cash buyer off market and some sellers look for a cash buyer on market. The reality is every day distressed, motivated sellers list properties for sale with agents, which means you and I can find these deals, make offers, and get contracts. So if you're a wholesaler, I want to make something very clear to you. Just because there is an agent representing the seller doesn't change the fundamentals of wholesaling. A contract with a seller is a contract with a seller. It doesn't matter if you're dealing directly with the seller, an agent is helping the seller, a lawyer is helping the seller. Once you have an executed contract with the seller, you now have an equitable interest in the property. That contract is yours to do with as you please. You can perform on the contract and buy the property, or you can assign it to someone else.